Hello friends, this is Adrika Budore from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about elif statement. So here, without wasting any time, let's make a new file, tu22.py. Okay. So friends, as in my 20th tutorial video, you saw that we wrote a code here, right? We made a variable here, num, and passed the value 5. And here we used if statement and compared the value of number, that's our variable, to 5. If it is 5, if the condition is true, it will print number is 5. Okay. If number is 10 is equals to 10, it will print number is 10. Else, if it is not 10, it will print condition is false. Okay. So if we run it, see, it is printing both. Number is 5 and condition is false. Here our number is equals to 5. Okay. So what is it basically doing here? It is comparing the value to 5 and it is seeing that the condition is true. That's why it is executing this line of code as it is indented. Okay. It's a part of this block. That's why it is executing this part of code. Now, as you can see here, this if statement does not have any else statement, right? But this if statement have this else statement, as you can see. So what is it basically doing here? It is checking that whether this code is true or false. If this condition is true, it will run it. Now it will move to second line, that is this one, this condition. As you can see, it is false here. It is not equals to 10. Our number is not equal to 10. So as this if block have this else block, it is executing the else block of this if statement. Okay. So as this condition is false, this else statement is executing. This code is executing. So here it is true, that's why it printed number is 5, and here it is false. Here it is false, that's why it executed the else block and it is printing this line. Condition is false. That's why it is printing both number is 5 and condition is false. Hope I made myself clear. Now let's see how to get rid of this problem. So here let's copy this only and we will paste it here. Okay. So here to get rid of this problem we can use elif. Okay. So if we write here elif, so elif, as you can see, it is made up of else and if. So this if statement have this else statement and this if statement have this else statement. Okay. So if the condition is false here, it will execute, then only it will execute this one. If the condition is false here also, then only it will execute this line of code. So if we run it, as you can see, it is written number is 5. Okay. If we change our value to 10 here, it is printing number is 10. If we write here 15, it is writing condition is false. That means our code is working properly. So right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys got to know how to use elif statement. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.